So let me show you around Hotel Paseo. This is in Palm Desert, California. It is located very close to Palm Springs, California, and it has very much the same vibe. Palm Desert is known for its Rodeo Drive of the desert. So really close to this Marriott property are blocks of high-end shopping. So you can stay at this property and then go do some serious shopping throughout the day. Now, this is an Autograph Collection property with Marriott. It is also a 4 Diamond Award winner with AAA. You can see it is very elegant, very airy, very nice to stay at and luxurious. Outside, there is a signature Airstream that is kind of well known for parties and for Instagram shots and just being really cool and kitschy in the green area. Can't really call it a lawn because it is fake lawn, but I guess you could call it a lawn. Next door to the pool is this putting green, which is super fun to do while you're there. The pool area has a bar outside as well as the fire pit, and a lot of the rooms overlook this courtyard. I was not lucky enough to get one of those coveted rooms. As you'll see pretty soon, I was overlooking the trash bins and dumpsters. This hotel was built in 2018, so it is relatively new. And with that, I would have hoped that there would have been some modern design elements that seem to be a little bit missing. And we'll talk about that in just a moment with the room tour. First, I want to show you this bar outside. It wasn't staffed while we were there, but it seems like it would have been nice to have had one of those drinks while you were at the pool. This is a quick glimpse of the pool menu that you can choose from while you're there. Inside, there is going to be a lot of great artwork. This is walking down some of the hallways. And some of those problems that we had with the room that I'm showing you right now is it's extremely noisy. We heard every single time anybody on the hallway closed their door, and we heard the people next door banging their hangers in the closet, turning on their shower, their alarm clock going off. These are things that should not have to happen in a modern day hotel room that has just been built. I mean, there's sound insulation properties that could have been installed, and so that would have been an easy thing to put in a luxury hotel. I also made mention that my room was not a nice room. I would say that's putting it lightly. We had the room that was overlooking the dumpsters, which is kind of bizarre to me because I feel like it wasn't a completely full hotel and we checked in really early in the afternoon. So it's not like we got the last room that they were holding, towards the end. That was pretty bad. What I'm showing you right now is a mini refrigerator, which was much appreciated because it was about 116 degrees in Palm Desert while we were staying there. So we were using a lot of the water. The air conditioning was kind of struggling to keep up with that heat. And let me show you, this is our view. So we overlooked the dumpsters. They came about 6:30 in the morning. Yes, you could hear those dumpsters. There was deliveries throughout the day taking place down there, overlooking like a strip mall area, which just it has a great view, but it doesn't have a luxury feeling. I can tell you that. When you're overlooking a parking lot in a strip mall and the dumpsters, kind of loses that posh feeling. Now, also we had some problems in the bathroom as well, which were design elements that shouldn't have had to happen. There is a sensor for the lighting, which is smart to keep, to conserve power. However, that sensor was located underneath the hook, and that hook is where you would hang your towel while in the shower, or you would hang the clothes that you want to put on when you get out of the shower. Unfortunately, the timing was so bizarre that while you had a towel over the sensor, the lights would go completely out while you were in the shower. And obviously, as you can see, there is not a window in this room, so it would get absolutely pitch dark. And it wasn't easy to really put your hand outside the door and wave that sensor on. So that is a design element that is just kind of silly. We do tons of travel videos throughout the year, giving you reviews of properties to stay at, ones that we like, ones that we don't like, and where we suggest that you might want to spend your travel dollars and have a lot of fun across America and around the world. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked anything that you saw today. It would help us out a lot. Take care.